There's something truly magical about exploring the open road on two wheels. The sense of freedom and adventure is unparalleled. The wind in your face, the rush of air as you speed along, the sun on your skin, warming you as you ride, and the endless ribbon of asphalt stretching out before you, inviting you to explore new horizons. It's an experience that begs to be shared, and in the digital age, there's no better way to do that than through motovlogging. By capturing your journey on camera, you can relive those moments and share them with others. Motovlogging combines the thrill of motorcycling with the art of filmmaking, creating a unique blend of adventure and creativity, allowing riders to capture and share their adventures with the world. From the breathtaking landscapes to the exhilarating rides, every moment can be documented and shared. But like any good adventure, it requires the right gear. A reliable camera, sturdy mounts, and good editing software are essential to create high-quality content. With the right tools, you can turn your rides into captivating stories that inspire others to hit the open road. The heart of any motovlogging setup is the camera. While traditional camcorders have their place, action cameras have become the go-to choice for motovloggers due to their compact size, durability, and impressive video quality. Let's take a look at 3 of the most popular options. GoPro has been synonymous with action cameras for years, and for good reason. These cameras have become the go-to choice for adventurers, athletes, and filmmakers alike. Their cameras are known for their rugged build quality, excellent image stabilization, and user-friendly interface. Whether you're skydiving, mountain biking, or simply capturing a family vacation, GoPro ensures your footage is smooth and clear. The latest models, like the HERO 11 Black, boast incredible 5.3K video resolution, allowing you to capture every moment in stunning detail. Capturing stunning detail and vibrant colors. The advanced sensors and processing power ensure that your videos look professional, even in challenging lighting conditions. GoPros are also incredibly versatile, making them perfect for any adventure you can imagine, with a wide range of mounts and accessories available to suit any riding style. From chest mounts to helmet mounts and even handlebar mounts, there's a solution for every need. This versatility makes GoPro the ultimate tool for capturing your adventures from every angle. For those who want to capture the complete picture, Insta360 cameras offer a unique perspective. Whether you're a motovlogger, an adventurer, or just someone who loves to document their rides, these cameras are designed to provide an immersive experience. These cameras feature dual lenses that capture a full 360 degrees of footage. This means you won't miss a single moment, no matter where the action is happening. From the front to the back, and everything in between, every detail is recorded. This allows you to reframe your shots in post-production, choosing the perfect angle to showcase the action. With the ability to adjust and reframe, you can create dynamic and engaging videos that truly capture the essence of your adventure. The flexibility in editing ensures that your final product is exactly how you envisioned it. The Insta360 ONE RS is a popular choice for motovlogging, offering excellent image quality and innovative features like invisible selfie stick mode. This mode makes the selfie stick disappear from your shots, giving you a clean and unobstructed view. It's perfect for creating professional-looking videos without the hassle of extra equipment. DJI Osmo Action, a worthy contender. DJI, known for their drones, has also entered the action camera market with the Osmo Action series. These cameras offer impressive image stabilization thanks to DJI's renowned gimbal technology. The Osmo Action 3 boasts dual color screens, making it easy to frame shots from any angle. They also offer competitive video quality and features, making them a solid alternative to GoPro. Crystal clear audio, because engine noise isn't commentary. While stunning visuals are essential, clear audio is just as important for creating engaging motovlogs. Viewers want to hear your commentary, the roar of your engine, and the sounds of the open road. However, wind noise and engine rumble can quickly drown out these important audio elements. That's where external microphones and Bluetooth headsets come in. Lavalier microphones, up close and personal. Lavalier microphones, also known as lapel mics, are small, discreet microphones that clip onto your clothing. These microphones are excellent for capturing clear audio of your voice, even in noisy environments. They work by being positioned close to your mouth, reducing the amount of ambient noise that is picked up. External microphones. Amplifying the action. External microphones, such as shotgun mics, are designed to pick up sound from a specific direction. These microphones can be mounted on your camera or helmet to capture the sounds of your engine, exhaust note, and the environment around you. When combined with a lavalier microphone for your commentary, external microphones can add a whole new dimension to your motovlogs. Bluetooth headsets. Communication is key. Bluetooth headsets aren't just for music and phone calls, they're also incredibly useful for motovlogging. Many Bluetooth headsets feature built-in microphones that offer excellent noise cancellation, ensuring that your voice is heard clearly, even at high speeds. Additionally, some Bluetooth headsets allow you to connect to your phone or GPS device, allowing you to record your commentary and navigation instructions directly to your camera. Finding the perfect vantage point. Camera mounts. Choosing the right camera mount is essential for capturing dynamic and engaging footage. Different mounts offer unique perspectives and can dramatically change the look and feel of your motovlogs. Helmet mounts offer an immersive, first-person perspective that puts viewers right in the rider's seat. This mount provides a true representation of what it's like to ride a motorcycle, capturing the rider's head movements and line of sight. Helmet mounts are great for showcasing technical riding, navigating challenging terrain, or simply sharing the view from the open road. Chest mounts provide a stable and centered view of the road ahead, making them a popular choice for capturing scenic rides and long stretches of highway. This mount minimizes head movement, resulting in smoother footage. Chest mounts are also great for capturing the rider's body language and reactions to the road, adding another layer of engagement to your videos. Handlebar mounts offer a unique perspective that showcases the motorcycle itself, as well as the surrounding environment. This mount is ideal for capturing the bike's instrument panel, handlebars, and the rider's hands in action. Handlebar mounts are also great for capturing wide shots of the road and scenery, providing a more cinematic feel to your motovlogs. Weathering the storm. Protecting your gear. Motovlogging often takes you off the beaten path and into unpredictable weather conditions. Protecting your gear from rain, dust, and debris is essential for ensuring its longevity and capturing high-quality footage. Waterproof cases, keeping the elements at bay. Most action cameras are water-resistant to some degree, but investing in a dedicated waterproof case is crucial for true peace of mind. Waterproof cases create a secure seal around your camera, protecting it from rain, snow, and even complete submersion in water. Lens protectors, shielding your view. The lens is the most vulnerable part of your camera, and even a small scratch can ruin your footage. Lens protectors act as a shield, preventing scratches, dirt, and debris from damaging your lens. Tempered glass lens protectors offer the best protection and clarity. Wind muffs battling wind noise for audio clarity. Wind noise is a motovlogger's worst enemy, often rendering audio unusable. Wind muffs are furry covers that fit over your microphone, reducing wind noise and improving audio clarity. They work by disrupting the airflow around the microphone, preventing the wind from creating a rumbling sound. Gearing up for your ride. Choosing the right tools. Choosing the right motovlogging gear depends on your individual needs, riding style, and budget. Consider what type of footage you want to capture, where you'll be riding, and what features are most important to you. Ride, record, share. Your motovlogging adventure awaits. Motovlogging is more than just hitting record and riding. It's about capturing the freedom of the open road, the camaraderie of fellow riders, and the beauty of the world around us. With the right gear and a passion for adventure, you can share your motovlogging journey with the world and inspire others to experience the thrill of two wheels.